Today we're going to enrich our vocabulary by a quiz. So let's get started. So, safe to eat, edible. Safe to drink, potable. Easy to see, visible. Easy to hear, audible. Easy to read, legible. Can be touched, tangible. Can be measured, quantifiable. I know, that's very hard. Can be counted, countable. Yeah, that's very easy. All of us know this. And can be carried, portable. Can be understood, comprehensible. That's also very, very hard. Can be maintained, sustainable. That's a little hard. Can be done, doable. And lastly, can be followed, traceable. So yeah, bye guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to take notes. Stay motivated, keep learning, stay with me.